Good morning, class. Myself, Umesh Rathore, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering from Vallabhpuri Polytechnic, Navsari. In today's lecture, we will learn about process cost estimation, cost related to any process known as process cost estimation, in which we have to see part 1 of the subject estimating, costing and contracting, subject code 3351905 from Mechanical Engineering Department. So let us start with introduction. The process of cost estimation determines an amount of resources required to accomplish project activities. As we have discussed in our starting, it establishes the resources and which type of resources are required to complete the process. It involves the approximation and development of costing alternatives to plan, perform, and deliver. So it includes all activities like planning, performing, delivering to a project. It focuses on finding and allocating optimal expenses for the job. The most common way to estimate the cost is to make a list of items you need and adapt their cost. As we discussed in our project, if we go for any process, we have to first up make a list which type of resources required, which type of machinery is required, and see what is the approximately cost of it. Make sure you include all applicable costs such as equipment and parts, materials and supplies, labor, financing, fees, license, transportation and acquisition costs for land and facilities. So it include all the requirements. Now, system in process estimating cost, we have to see the diesel generating set, cost of diesel generating set. To understand, we have to first look at what are the system of diesel generating set. The first one is fuel supply and storage system. The second one is fuel injection system in engine. Third one is air supply system. Fourth one is cooling system. And the fifth one is lubrication system. Now, and the last one is starting system and the governing system. Now, cost estimation of diesel generating set. The first cost of interest on capital. Its amount of interest per capital for purchasing diesel generating set. Fuel cost of diesel. Lubrication oil cost for better running. Maintenance cost, fixed and running, and the labor cost. Now, and the overhead cost. Now, fixed cost equal to interest on capital, so which is fixed, and the fixed maintenance cost. And the variable cost equal to fuel cost, it vary, running maintenance, it also vary, lubricating oil cost, it also vary, and the operating cost. Now we understand by one example. A diesel power plant has a capacity of 1800 kilowatt. Its peak load and load factor are 1700 kilowatt and 85% respectively. Estimate power generation cost of this plant. Assume capital cost is rupees 900 per kilowatt. What is our capacity? 1800 kilowatt, and per kilowatt capital cost is rupees 900. Interest on capital is 10%. Operating cost per year is rupees 60,000. Fuel consumption is 0.4 liter per kilowatt hour. Fuel cost is rupees 40 per liter. Now move on to solution. Now, what is the plant capital investment? So plant capital investment equal to, what is our plant capacity? 1800 kilowatt. And what is its cost? 900. So it is equal to 1.62 into 10 raised to 6. What is the unit of it is rupees, because we have to see here it investment. Now, interest on capital. How much percentage? 10%. So 1.62 into 10 raised to 6 into 10 by 100, because interest on capital is 10%. So it is equal to 162 into 10 raised to 3 rupees. Now, annual hour. How much annual hour we have worked? So annual hour equal to 365 days into 24 hours. So which is equal to 8760 hours. Now, annual power production. What is the peak load capacity? 1700 kilowatt. What is efficiency? 85%. So we have to write it 0.85. And annual hour is 8760. So which is equal to 12,685.2 into 10 raised to 3 kilowatt hour per year. Now, fuel consumption. Fuel consumption equal to 0.4 liter per kilowatt hour into 12,685.2. What is our annual production? Into 10 raised to 3. So it is equal to 5063.28 liter per into 10 raised to 3 liter per year. So the annual fuel cost equal to 40, fuel price is 40 rupees per liter, 40 into 5063.28 into 10 raised to 3. So it is equal to 2,2531.2 into 10 raised to 3 rupees per year. Now, lubricating oil consumption is 1% of fuel consumption. So lubricating oil consumption equal to, what is fuel consumption? We have 5063.28 into 10 raised to 3, and lubricating oil consumption is 1%. So 1 divided by 100. So it is equal to 50.63 into 10 raised to 3 liter per year. Now lubricating oil cost is rupees 150 per liter. So lubricating oil cost equal to 50.63 into 10 raised to 3 into 150. So it is equal to 7,594.5 rupees into 10 raised to 3 rupees per year. Now assume fixed maintenance cost is rupees 10,000. So total fixed cost equal to interest on capital plus fixed maintenance cost, which is 10,000. So interest on capital, what we have? 162 into 10 raised to 3 rupees plus 10 into 10 raised to 3. We can write 10,000 into this form. So it is equal to 172 into 10 raised to 3 rupees per year. Same way, assume running maintenance cost is rupees 20,000 and operating cost is rupees 60,000. So total variable cost equal to fuel cost plus lubricating oil cost plus running operating cost plus running maintenance cost. So it is equal to 2,531.2 into 10 raised to 3 plus 7,594.5 into 10 raised to 3 plus 60 into 10 raised to 3 plus 20 into 10 raised to 3. So which is equal to 2,10,205.7 into 10 raised to 3 rupees per year. Now total cost equal to total fixed cost plus total variable cost. So total fixed cost equal to 172 into 10 raised to 3 rupees plus variable cost 2,10,205.7 into 10 raised to 3 rupees. So it is equal to 2,10,377.7 into 10 raised to 3 rupees per year. Now, power generation cost per unit equal to total cost by total annual production. So total cost we have 2,10,377.7 into 10 raised to 3 rupees divided by annual power production. What we have 12,685.2 into 10 raised to 3. So which is equal to 16.61 rupees per kilowatt hour. Now, power generation cost per hour. So which is equal to total cost by total annual hour. So what is total cost we have? 2,10,377.7 into 10 raised to 3 rupees divided by how much annual hour we have? 8,760. So which is equal to 24 into 10 raised to 3 rupees per hour. So it is power generation cost per hour approximately 24,000. Thank you student. Thanks for listening me carefully.